Serious sexual assault scandal rattles Jamaica Defense Force. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An unfolding sex scandal has rocked the Jamaican Defense Force after more than a dozen female soldiers reportedly came forward with allegations that they were a victim of sexual assault by a high-ranking officer. The allegation ranged from rape to fondling to unwanted sexual advances, the sources disclosed. The name of the accused is being withheld pending further investigation. The Jamaica Defense Force insiders told reporters that at least 16 women have come forward and given statements detailing their alleged ordeal. It is unclear whether or not the police have been called in to investigate the matter. The allegations are the worst in a series of dark corners for the Jamaica military in recent months. The scandal began unveiling after the first female soldier complained to the army brass that she was sexually assaulted by the senior officer. Soon after, other soldiers began coming forward with complaints. In a statement on Monday, Jamaica Defense Force said that preliminary investigation into the matter commenced as soon as the report was received. The Jamaica Defense Force has a robust sexual harassment prevention policy and treats with any breaches as a zero-tolerance matter, the Army said. The Army further added that matters of this sensitive and personal nature are thoroughly investigated with due regards for the privacy and protection of the complaint. The Jamaica Defense Force also said that as the investigations are ongoing, further comments will be provided in the public domain. The force has a track record of detailing with disciplinary breaches of any kind of such actions carried out by a member of the force. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.